take a good look at my nose, because this is the last time you're gonna see it.
Warning: this video includes footage recorded inside of the operating room during pre-op preparations, including the insertion of an IV. There are no close-ups or scenes with blood, but viewer discretion is advised. Please note that due to strict sanitation rules, VIP does not normally allow cameras or non-medical staff in their operating rooms. Special exceptions were briefly made to allow for the filming of the full pre-operation process and were agreed upon by both me, the patient, and all medical professionals seen in this video.
The two big plastic surgery areas in Korea, and both of them are located in Gangnam district. There are tons and tons and tons of plastic surgery clinics around here. As you can see today, I'm wearing a big hat to keep the sun off my face because as of today, I'm no longer allowed to wear sunglasses, and I have a shirt that has a really big top opening. If I need to unbutton it to take it off, I don't have to pull it over my head. I'm really nervous about having this surgery, but I'm also kind of just accepted the fact that it is what it is. Alright, we are nearly there. Let's get into the clinic and I will see you inside.
Okay, over.
세안하시면서
네네.
코 안도 같이 한번 세척해달라고 했어.
Okay, cool. Let's go.
Okay.
Alright, so then forms. Cool. All those
Cool.
trees.
You can go through, and after you finish this paper, you can change to that gown.
Okay.
Alright?
Sounds good.
Okay.
Thank you. Alright, so here we've got some consent forms. I get to mark my customer requirements right at the top. So these are the 4 things I want them to keep in mind while doing my surgery. It also lists kind of all of the potential risks with scarring and the different ways that they might use cartilage tissue if they're not using the implant. For me, they're using the ear cartilage, which we've already discussed, and they won't be doing the chest cartilage because I don't need any of that. Here on the next page, it just talks about some of the risks or natural asymmetry that the face has, kind of post-surgery changes, so how your skin is going to change, what it might feel like, how it might affect other areas in the muscles in your face, as well as kind of some risks that you have when you're doing any kind of nose surgery in terms of bleeding and stuff like that. And then this is consent for being able to use my images, which obviously since I'm making this video I've already agreed and consented to. This is actually so they can use the photos for medical purposes or showing other clients, but not necessarily they can use it on their website. However, we have something different since we kind of made that agreement, and I'm making these videos and documenting my process for them. And then this last page, this is kind of the sheet that Dr. Lee and I were talking through. So kind of talking about what corrections we're going to make and sort of things like that, some of the notes that he's jotted, and we've used this over the last month on multiple consultations and have kind of made notes and added to it. Alright, this is it. As you can see, I'm very fashionably dressed in my surgical gown. And I'm about to go into surgery. So as you saw, the process for this whole thing is we came in, I checked in, they showed me to my lovely recovery room. I came in here and they did all the trimming inside my nose hairs, had me wash my face, including inside my nose, so everything is clean and ready to go. And then after that, I signed all of my consent forms, reviewed everything, made the final notes, and that's it. So I'm gonna call Julian here so she can take me to the operating room. And so yeah, I guess I'll see you on the other side. All right, let's go.
Ready?
Yes.
Let's go to the 5th floor.
And this is 4th floor.
Yes, this is the recovery room. And this is the dining room where like the staff goes in. So they're gonna prepare your meal and then bring it to you.
Awesome. I got it. That's great because I'm really hungry.
Right now, right?
Yeah.
So after the surgery, a lot of patients want to drink water, but you can't drink water for like first 2 hours because
Really?
you feel kind of like nauseous. Hi. Let's go. 마들님 왔어요. Okay, when you go in, don't be surprised because it's gonna be really loud. It's just like air shower all over.
Okay.
And then
Do I
watch
take
out the
this?
steps. No, you can wear it. You can wear it.
Take your shoes off.
No, 신발은 빼고 들어가요? It's okay.
Okay.
And then they're gonna open the door from other side.
This way?
Yeah.
Okay. 키가 몇이야? 184?
This is like the preparation before the anesthesia. It's called Hartman solution.
If I'm stressing out beforehand, it's only gonna make like the surgery more difficult on my body. You know what I mean? That extra stress. So yeah, I mean like is what it is.
So when we took the photo, we just print it out so the doctor
they
can
can
see
see.
it. Yeah.
You put the notes. Awesome.
와, elevation 올라가. Yeah, before I told you the elevation portion from the laser bone to the tip is very long, and the bone area actually the bone is attached to the muscle. Before I told you after surgery the elevation bone they have a tendency to go to the original
Right.
position. Therefore, after surgery, some decrease in
Yeah.
elevation. And also another point, the soft tissue also different. Underlying bone is different soft tissue, which means the skeleton is correct, but the overall soft tissue is there is still, and they have there is some asymmetric. Is another point. And then keep you want to the short trim.
What you think is best
Yeah,
to match the new shape?
yeah, too long. Too long.
Yeah.
Keeps too long.
You said it's a little
Yeah,
droopy.
yeah, too long. And slight going up is better.
Yeah, I just don't want it too like
short is
too
no good.
upturned. Yeah.
Too upturned is no good. You know what? Some degree should be like this, and then the harmful removed. After that, we need this area in some cartilage graft. So cartilage, we're gonna most of cartilage we're gonna use the septum, but that's not enough. You can use also
The left side.
left side cartilage.
Okay.
Okay?
Sounds good.
And then, anyway, the after surgery, dorsum area, there is some remains, not completely smooth. As you know that, the bone portion and cartilage portion differently.
Right.
Okay. And then do you have any breathing problem inside? Breathing problem? No. You want to? Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, she wants it natural
Yeah.
beauty.
Okay. 자, 해보지.
Bye.
Bye bye.